Is the bottom in? Have the whales finally stopped selling their Bitcoin? And could we be due for a rise all the way back up towards 70,000? Or, my friends, is this nothing more than a potential bull trap before a plunge not only back down towards 50,000, but possibly down into the $40,000 range? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. So what do you think about that intro music, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get this crypto. The dawn is back, and what we have to analyze now is this potential bottom here. We saw the Bitcoin price take a nasty tumble after reaching a new all-time high. We then dropped down into the mid 53K range. I've been saying it for weeks, ladies and gentlemen. I've been saying it for weeks that if we saw rejection, the target for the dawn was all the way down to 53K. If we wound up seeing further upside action, we saw targets, ladies and gentlemen, all the way up towards 90,000. We did have a potential bull flag here. It failed, and it was a fake out. This is what we saw in the chart. Fake out here, whoopsies, and it got wrecked. The downside target was always 53,000. It has always been 53,000. And whether or not these hullabaloo moonboy degenerates would like to believe it or not, there we were just several days ago, down in the mid 53K range. So now, folks, the question becomes, are we going to see a bottom here? To me, it looks very, very similar, actually, to this green box range down here, right? Notice we had old multi-month confluence up inside here. After breaking it, we back tested down and then ripped. Then take a look up here, multi-month confluence. We tested up to it, got rejected, broke through, and ripped. Right now, folks, you just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. To me, this looks very, very similar to the rejection that we saw here before lifting off once again. Let's get this crypto. Let me know down below with a comment. Do you think this looks similar? Say yes, it looks similar, or no, it looks similar. I'm interested to see your response. Now, we have to take the macro into consideration, right? The crypto market as a whole, Bitcoin in particular, has been in a massive, massive bull run, really starting back in early 2020. So right now, with Bitcoin still creating new all-time highs here in late 2021, until proven otherwise, I still have to believe that the probability for this trend to move higher, as long as the higher low trajectory remains intact, is still very high. Now, of course, past performance does not indicate future results. We do not have to see this old confluence level act as support. It could give way at any time. But what I'm saying here is that from a macro level, the trend to me still does appear to be intact with 3 higher lows and right now 2 higher highs, which is still painting a bullish narrative in my opinion. The real elephant in the room for me, though, folks, is the US dollar index, the DXY. And what we can see here is that this bullish W pattern is right now potentially playing out. I've been showing this for months on this channel, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button right now for the algorithm. But more importantly, hit the subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. I've been showing this. I've been saying, look, ladies and gentlemen, the measured move target of this potential bullish W pattern would be right here at the breakout of the neckline of the pattern, bringing us up potentially above 98. Now, let me clear something up. Just because the printer goes burr does not mean that the US dollar index has to indefinitely plunge deep down into the fiat abyss. That's simply untrue. That's a rather asinine mentality to have when looking at this market. But of course, in the crypto cult, the Bitcoin cult, Kirby, you just don't understand. Massive inflation. Bitcoin, it's the only deflationary measure we have. Little Jimmy and your $600 stimmy. The DXY is the US dollar index traded against a basket of other world currencies. In case you didn't realize, other world fiat currencies, their printer also goes burr. And unless you've been living under a rock, you should be very well aware that due to world circumstances here over the past 2 years, we have seen an increase in money printing across the globe. It just is what it is, right? To stimulate the economy. So, out of all of the printing worldwide, you have to understand that right now, from the trading market perspective, from what we're seeing here on the DXY, the US dollar right now compared to this particular basket of other world currencies is still performing very, very strong. And historically, at least in recent times, a strong US dollar index on a macro level has been problematic for the Bitcoin price. Our last strong US dollar multi-month/multi-year rally led to a bear market in Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole, and our two mega downturns in the DXY has led to massive bull markets for the crypto space and Bitcoin in particular. So one can only speculate here that if we are going to see continued strength in the US dollar index, that this still could apply bearish pressure to Bitcoin moving forward. Let's get this crypto. The other developing story that we have to keep our eyes on here is the S&P 500. You can see that just one trading day ago at this point, we saw the largest single day downturn that we've seen in months at this point, right? So right now, I mean, until proven otherwise, just like Bitcoin, the S&P 500 is still in a massively macro bullish uptrend. But if we are going to see resistance forming up here, close to 5,000, if we are going to see breaks of this trend line, it could be an absolute warning shot fired. Now, I'm not saying that this has to break the trend, right? We broke the trend line down here, and what do you know? Whoopsies, we ripped to a new all-time high. It just is what it is. But the fact of the matter is, the S&P 500 is looked at as a risk on play, right? Equities in general are looked at as a risk on play. Bitcoin is looked at as a risk on play. And we have seen a correlation that when the S&P 500 is moving higher, Bitcoin has seen the price move higher as well. Of course, past performance does not indicate future results. I'm just saying that right now, keep an eye on the S&P 500. To me, it's still strong until proven otherwise. But we have seen possibly a warning shot fired here, folks, and it is what it is. If we start to see the S&P decline, this could be a signal for all risk-on assets as a whole, including Bitcoin and other cryptos, that we could be due for some further downside action. I'm not saying that has to occur. This is not a prediction. Notice nothing on this stream is a prediction of any kind. What I'm showing you is what's in the chart, so you can form an educated opinion of your own. Let's get this crypto. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get back to Bitcoin here. I just want you all to realize that the macro, in my opinion right now, with the S&P 500, other world global trading markets, and the US dollar index are all very important here, tying in to what could possibly happen for the Bitcoin price and the crypto market as a whole, okay? But it's not all doom and gloom here, folks. In fact, what I'd like to do right now is take a look at what I feel is the only viable target left. And for me, this is basically a reverse Fibonacci retracement, okay? We can call it the Fibonacci extension. And this gives us a 1.618 target all the way up here towards 88,000. All right, you have to understand that when the Bitcoin price is breaking to a new all-time high, you don't have any prior data to look at. So traders have to start looking at areas where could we possibly see this trade up to and settle down at? And right now, realistically, for me, that number is right up there at the 1.618 Fibonacci extension up towards 88,000. Let's get this crypto. All right, the bull flag did not play out. We also had a bull flag target. Remember this one, folks, if we took the bull flag pole, right, we had the flag here. If it were to break out, we had a potential target up towards that same level. The bull flag was a sham, folks. It just wound up breaking out, and then whoopsies, we dropped. That's what happens. There are no certainties or guarantees in trading, and just because a pattern breaks out does not mean that we have to go to the possible target. So as far as targets go, obviously to the upside, if we were to break to a new all-time high, watch out for a push up towards 88,000, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. If we are to drop back down, watch for a possible double bottom support around the mid 53K range, all right? And even down possibly towards 51,000 would be a saving grace zone, in my opinion, really anywhere inside this red box for a potential bottom to come in before another push to the upside. But just like how I was saying all the way up here, that 53,000 was the potential downside target if we dropped, right? Just like we had the potential upside target of almost 90,000 if it broke up, right? Down here again, folks, if we are to lose this red box range, for me, all eyes are down here on the green box between 42,000 and 39,000. I know that may not be what these moon boys want to hear, but sometimes you need that slap in the face. You need that dose of reality. And that is what the Dawn is here to provide, ladies and gentlemen. I know it ruffles some people's feathers, but quite frankly, I really don't care. Let's get this crypto. So if you enjoy this type of realistic analysis, I mean, I don't sugarcoat anything. Seriously, if you could just hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, it helps. So thank you for that. And if you're brand new, don't miss any more of these updates, okay? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now. Don't miss another update. Welcome to the channel. And of course, if you're wondering how I'm looking to potentially crush this next move, I will be keeping you exclusively updated in VIP with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, real-time entry ideas, real-time take profit ideas, everything just like that, as the Dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you are not already in my VIP, then what are you waiting for? Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's go. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, in case you missed it, on yesterday's stream, I was just saying that I needed a little break, needed some time to re-energize, but the Dawn is back and ready to get this crypto. So even if I'm not uploading every day, maybe I'll upload every other day, every several days, whatever it is, the Dawn is back. I will be here with my analysis here on YouTube, but as I just stated, I will be posting exclusively all of my trade setup ideas and everything like that in VIP. So seriously, get connected there. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. You already know the deal. But folks, until next time, I hope you enjoyed here today. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Dawn has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. CryptoKirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. CryptoKirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. CryptoKirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. CryptoKirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. CryptoKirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.